For sharing his time, knowledge, and expertise as one of the resource speakers in the 124th Auxiliary Squadron PCGA Indoctrination Seminar, given this 22nd day of June, at Medalba Hills, Phase 3, Multipurpose Hall, Barangay San Isidro, Algona, Rizal. Photo up tayo. Ayan, dami pa rin po.
Case man. Case man. One. Okay, look up 1, 2, 3.
Ayan. Coast Guard Ensign Annie Miguel G. Basa. Thank you, sir. Bye. Thank you.
See you sa future activities.
Yes. Hi, sir.
Coast Guard, Kasatibu, Jeremy, and Domingo.
Smile.
Thank you.
Yan sinasabi ko. Diretso ko man. Ang loob ng payo hindi dapat nakikita ng kausap mo o na sinasaluhan mo. Paano mo ito? Yan. Okay? Yan. Huwag yung nakagawon. Huwag yung nakagawon. Okay? Ang maganda ko diretso. Yung payo hindi dapat nakikita ng sinasaluhan mo. Okay? Let's start with that. No? I do. Baba na. Again. Pulay kamay. Na. Saan na? Na. Yan. Pulay kamay. Na. Baba na. Alam pa natin mga sarili natin. Simple.
Our Commodore Nicole.
Bago naman no, truly a good friend will never leave a friend behind. So, ito alam po talagang hindi po ako nahirapan na mag-invite sa kanya. Hindi nga po nagtagal. After 1 minute, yes, thank you. So I will read Certificate of Appreciation to Auxiliary Commander Dar John Panganiban for sharing his time, knowledge, and expertise as one of our speakers in the 124th Auxiliary Squadron PCGA Indoctrination Seminar. Thank you, sir.
Papahinga to.
Tungtong harap! Nah! Pakicheck po yung alignment.
Isang bilis na lang ang gagawin natin. Yung pag-exit na.
always nating attention. Wow, tinatawag ng term namin sleep wave. Okay naman lahat. Kung medyo meron